Obtaining a Canadian business visa requires careful planning, thorough documentation, and compliance with visa requirements. Canada Business Visa is essential for entrepreneurs, investors, and professionals looking to engage in business activities in Canada. To get Canada Business Visa, you will need to follow a specific application process. We have outlined step-by-step process to apply for a Canada Business Visa. Determine your eligibility. Review the eligibility criteria for a Canadian Business Visitor Visa. Ensure that you meet the requirements, which typically include having a valid passport, demonstrating the purpose of your visit as business-related, proving that you will leave Canada after your visit, having sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay, and not posing a security or health risk to Canadian citizens. Determine the appropriate visa category. The first step is to identify the most suitable visa category for your business activities in Canada. Common options include the Temporary Resident Visa, TRV, for short-term business visits, the Startup Visa Program for entrepreneurs, the Investor Visa Program for investors, or the Intra-Company Transfer Program for employees of multinational companies. Prepare the required documents. Gather all the necessary documents to support your application. A letter of invitation from a Canadian business or organization explaining the purpose of your visit and the duration of your stay. Proof of your business ties and employment in your home country, such as a letter from your employer, business registration documents, or tax returns. Evidence of sufficient funds to cover your expenses while in Canada, such as bank statements, pay stubs, or financial statements. A completed application form, which you can obtain from the Canadian government's official website. Pay the application fees and submit your application. Visit the official website of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to determine the current application fees. The fees are non-refundable, even if your application is denied. Submit your completed application along with the required documents to the appropriate visa office or visa application center, VAC, that serves your country of residence. Some countries require in-person submission, while others allow online or mail submission. Follow the instructions provided by the Canadian government for your specific location. Attend biometrics appointment, if applicable. Depending on your country of residence, you may be required to provide biometric information, including fingerprints and a photograph. If biometrics are necessary, schedule an appointment at the nearest visa application center to provide the required information. Wait for processing. The processing time for a Canada Business Visa varies depending on the visa office and other factors. Check the estimated processing times on the IRCC website. Be patient and avoid making any travel arrangements until you receive a decision on your application. Attend an interview, if requested. In some cases, the visa office may request an interview to further assess your application. If requested, attend the interview at the designated location and be prepared to answer questions about your business activities, purpose of visit, and ties to your home country. Receive a decision. Once your application is processed, you will receive a decision on your Canada Business Visa application. If approved, your visa will be stamped in your passport, and you will be allowed to travel to Canada for your business visit. If your application is denied, the reasons for the refusal will be provided, and you may have the option to reapply or appeal the decision, depending on the circumstances. It's important to note that the process and requirements may change over time, so it's recommended to visit the official IRCC website or consult with a professional immigration advisor for the most up-to-date and accurate information specific to your situation. If you like this video and want to get more useful ideas in different fields of life, then like and subscribe to our channel.